Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to see how to write a loop in assembly in Solidity. So let's see how we can write a for loop. The keyword for loop is for, and first we have to declare the variable. So let's declare I, and the first value of the I is 0. So this loop should run as long as I is less than 10. So less than 10, so I should be less than 10, and every time we have to increment I value. So to increment I value we have to write it like this. So I is assigned a new value every time, which is adding a new number. Now in the loop, so you're taking number z, add a number 1 to itself. So every time we are adding number 1 to z. So this loop starts at 1 and runs until 10, and every time it's gonna add 1 to the existing z. So let's run. So successfully compiled, and let's deploy. So if I call this,